All right, welcome to the Sketchbook Saga, where I'm going to be bringing you along on my saga, my journey of teaching myself to draw as an adult. Now, in the background, you are going to see me on my very first drawing here. This is exercise 1 of the 30-minute drawing for beginners book by Jordan DeWilde. So if you are ever wondering what I'm doing, that's where I'm at. This particular exercise is to do a contour line of your hand. Basically, it talks about how, as a kid, everybody draws their hand, traces their hand, and then utilize that in different drawings. And so that's a great place to start as an adult or as someone learning to draw. I thought this was really interesting. You kind of have your reference laid down on the page at all times, meaning I can see my hand as I draw. So it's kind of nice to have that available to be able to reference back and forth. And it was simple, but an interesting way to go about things. So as I was doing this particular drawing as well, I realized that as a kid, I was a passionate drawer, right? Or a passionate artist, whatever you want to call it when you're a child. But I put the pencil down for over 20 years, and then my brain told me I couldn't do it anymore. I wouldn't be able to. I couldn't pick that back up. I couldn't really improve in my artistic ability. So when I decided to do this, I decided, well, I'm sure other people also have that worry. Other people also have that concern. And so my whole goal for this channel is to bring you along in the process. Whether what you take from it is, I can do this too because he's doing it, or I'm already better than this, so I feel a bit better about myself. Whatever your takeaway is, as long as you get some positivity out of this, I am happy. So as I was going back and adding detail here, I think I was initially pretty hard on myself for this drawing. As the initial outline, that light outline that you saw there was going down, I was like, ooh, this is not going super well. But as I started to add details, I started to become happier and happier with the drawing. Not because this is a perfect representation of my hand, or a perfect representation of any hand for that matter, but because in all honesty, if I were to go and look at this drawing compared to what I think I had in my mind as expectations, it does look better. And I think that's another kind of tip that I would give people, is to just stay out of your head while you're drawing or doing any artistic pursuit. Those doubts can negatively impact both your enjoyment and the final product. Anyway, that is about it for today. So I hope you've enjoyed joining me, and I will see you for the next video.